Welcome to NAB 2026 at Kinefinity. And let me introduce a little bit about our new camera. So what we are doing is just we keep the core of those big guys, the bigger cinema cameras, and fit it into a smaller body, the lightest cinema camera. It's only 620 grams, so we're trying to make something small. This one is a meta version, and it has a 6K sensor, and the codec is ProRes 422 HQ. So we might upgrade a little bit, but it's to be determined. Yeah. This camera has a 6K full frame, and the highest codec is ProRes 422 HQ, and it's not like a normal ProRes, standard ProRes 422 HQ. It's a 12-bit. And we have been using the ProRes codecs for many years, and it's very reliable and stable. And this camera also has like a H.264 codec and H.265, which is for streaming and for like a lower budget or storage. So for the connection, we have the two HDMI out. And for the power, we have the DC in if you don't want to use the MPF battery. And we also have the headphone and the microphone. The microphone is also like for the time code. Yeah. And there are also two Type-C out. You can plug the microphone there like lavalier, or you can update the phone from there. Yeah. So we have a 4-inch 800 nit touchscreen, which is very sharp and very clear. You can even check the focus on there. And this it's 4:3, which is very suitable for the open gate shoot, because we also have 6K open gate. So if you do the open gate, it's like the whole full screen. Just like our other cameras, we have two mounting systems. The first one is called Kinefinity mount, which you can use our adapter ring to go to EF or PL mount. We also have our built-in variable ND in the mount, so it's like an option. And the second one is we can just replace the mount with those 4 screws, and we can use E-mount. The battery we use is a MPF battery, so maybe for personal use or a very handheld set, you want to keep it very compact. This battery can power the camera for 3 hours, and if you want a more stable power in, you can use the 2-pin level DC in, which you can connect to a V-mount or any other batteries. This camera will be officially launched in June 2nd, and will be start shipping at the end of June. So because there are a lot of things not really sure, we are still it's to be determined. So the price will be below 3K.